Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by creating a proper header row. This is the only reliable way to name a column in Google Sheets. Click the top cell of the column, for example A1, and type the new column name. Once done, freeze row 1 via View Freeze 1 row so the label stays visible while you scroll. This makes the name persistent and readable. Make sure to press Enter to commit the change. Otherwise, your edit won't stick and you'll lose the header text. Next, refine the header so it functions like a true column name. You can bold the text, add a background color, and enable wrap text so long names display cleanly. Then adjust the column width so the label is readable without cutting off. To enforce data consistency, add data validation to the column. This links the header to the column's behavior. Once formatted, add a filter from the toolbar so the header displays a filter icon and the column acts like a named field. To finish, protect the header row so others cannot overwrite your column name. Data Protect Sheets and Ranges will lock row 1. Also, when sharing, give collaborators view or comment access unless they need to edit headers. If the header disappears or seems unchanged, make sure you didn't accidentally unfreeze rows. Refreeze and retype the label if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: if edits don't save, check your internet connection or see if you're working on an offline copy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.